Jai Hind, Namaskar. Welcome to the grand opening ceremony of 133rd edition of Indian Oil Duran Cup 2024. Orchestrated with precision by the Indian Armed Forces and supported by Bodoland Territorial Council and the Government of Assam. It is with pride that Duran Cup 2024 is being held for the second successive year here in the City of Peace, Kokrajhar.
Ladies and gentlemen, it is with immense honor and privilege that we have amongst us esteemed Mr. P.U. Langhen Lova Mar, Honorable Minister of Labour, Employment, Skill Development and Entrepreneurship Development, Sports and Youth Services Department and Excise and Narcotics Department, Government of Mizoram. Sir is the Chairman, League Committee, All India Football Federation. Ladies and gentlemen, we would request Shri Pramod Boro, Chief Executive Member, Bodoland Territorial Council, to kindly felicitate and honor our Chief Guest, Mr. P.U. Langhen Lova Kumar, Chairman, League Committee, All India Football Federation. I would also request Shri Pramod Boro to kindly felicitate Lieutenant General R.C. Tiwari, Uttam Youth Seva Medal, Ati Vishisht Seva Medal, Sena Medal, General Officer Commanding in Chief, Eastern Command.
I would now request the General Officer to kindly felicitate Shri Pramod Boro. I would also request Shri Pramod Boro to kindly felicitate Dr. Lotte Shering, former Prime Minister of Bhutan. I would also request Shri Pramod Boro to kindly felicitate Air Marshal S.P. Dharkar, Param Vishisht Seva Medal, Ati Vishisht Seva Medal, Air Officer Commanding in Chief, Eastern Air Command.
I would also request Air Marshal to kindly felicitate Shri Pramod Boro, Chief, Bodoland Territorial Council.
As we continue our celebration, let's turn our attention to the remarkable football talent from Bodoland. This region has produced some exceptional players who have made significant contributions to Indian football. Their dedication and skill on the field have not only brought pride to their communities, but also showcased the rich sporting talent of Bodoland. Among these stars, players like Durga Boro and Holicharan Nazare stand out for their outstanding performances and contributions to the sport. Their achievements on the field are a testament to the thriving football culture in Bodoland and the region's commitment to nurturing athletic talent. Ladies and gentlemen, please turn your attention to the north direction, where the brass band of 13 Grenadier and number 7 Air Force band of 19 Air Force Wing Borjar, led by Naib Subedar Sama, marches on the stirring beats of Kadam Kadam Badai Ja. This anthem holds a profound significance in India, having been sung by all the soldiers of Azad Hind Fauj, which is a part of our military heritage. Give a huge round of applause for 13 Grenadiers Brass Band and number 7 Air Force Band, everyone. Now, as they come across the second time, they will be marching on the beats of the song Sare Jahan Se Acha. Ladies and gentlemen, please focus your attention on the large screen ahead as our daring skydivers from 11.
अपना है दिन ये आज का, जाके बोल दो, ऐसे जागो रे साथियों, दुनिया की आंखें खोल दो, लहरा दो, सरकशी का परचम लहरा दो, गर्दिश में फिर अपनी सरजमी का परचम लहरा दो, लहरा दो, सरकशी का परचम लहरा दो, गर्दिश में फिर अपनी सरजमी का परचम लहरा दो। ओ हाथ धर के बैठने से क्या भला कुछ होता है, हाथ धर के बैठने से क्या भला कुछ होता है, चाल लकीरों को दिखा क्या जोर बाजू होता है, चाल लकीरों को दिखा क्या जोर बाजू होता है, हिम्मत मरीना अगर हो सन खुदा भी होता है, जा ज़माने को दिखा दे खुद में दम क्या होता, लहरा दो, सरकशी का परचम लहरा दो, सन खुदा भी होता है, जा ज़माने को दिखा दे खुद में दम क्या होता, लहरा दो,
Ladies and gentlemen, look up. Can you see our daredevil skydivers? See them descend and glide in the sky, making their way to drop exactly on the dropping zone. Amongst which is Colonel Vishal, Sena Medal Commander 31 FAD. Colonel Vishal, with over 2,500 jumps and an instructor with Indian Army skydiving team, is carrying the tricolor flag.
Count down with us as he drops 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Observe his flawless landing as he prepares to place the Duran Cup football at the center of the field. Everyone, give a huge round of applause for our daredevil skydivers.
सरकशी का परचम लहरा दो, गर्दिश में फिर अपनी सरजमी का परचम लहरा दो, लहरा दो,
Give a huge round of applause for Colonel Vishal as he prepares to place the football at the center of the field. What an amazing showcase of skill and precision. It is now time for the opening address by Shri Pramod Boro, Chief Executive Member, Bodoland Territorial Council. I would request sir to kindly give the opening address.
खुलुमबाई, नमस्कार। Today, once again, I welcome all of you in the city of peace, Kokrajhar, and the 133rd Durand Cup football tournament and second event in Bodoland. First of all, I thank Indian Army for giving this opportunity to the people of Bodoland to host this 133rd most prestigious football tournament of India as well as Asia to host in Kokrajhar. Today, we have our guest, His Excellency Dosa Dr. Lothe Tshering, Bhutan के माननीय पूर्व प्रधानमंत्री, Honorable former Prime Minister of Bhutan. Our chief guest we have today Linghing Loba Marji, जो मिजोरम के खेल मंत्री है और ऑल इंडिया फुटबॉल फेडरेशन लीग कमेटी के अध्यक्ष है. We have Lieutenant General R.C. Tiwari ji, Air Marshal S.P. Dharkar ji, GOC 4 crore Manish Seri ji, and also we have our Eastern Command Indian Army Lieutenant General R.C. Srinath ji. We have our Speaker of Bodoland Territorial Council Katiram Boro ji, and our most Honorable Professor Shurot Narzari, Honorable President of Bodo Sahitya Sabha is here with us, and also dignitaries, invited guests, my friends, ladies and gentlemen, my colleagues, EM, MCLA, MLAs of Bodoland Territorial Council and Assam Assembly, our leaders of this 133rd event of Durand Cup in Kokrajhar, media friends, and people coming from different parts of the state and also Bodoland. I welcome all of you today in this prestigious tournament of Durand Cup in Kokrajhar. हम लोग बहुत खुश है कि फिर से दूसरी बार हम लोगों को यहाँ कोकराझार में जो फुटबॉल को प्रेमिक बहुत है, फुटबॉल खेल सदियों से यहाँ खेला गया है, ट्रेडिशनली हमारे लोग फुटबॉल खेले हैं और ये सारे जो परिस्थिति है, लोगों का उत्साह है, उमंग है, प्यार है, इसको देख के इंडियन आर्मी ने फिर से हमारे यहाँ डुरंड कप की होस्ट करने का मौका दिया है. लास्ट ईयर इंडियन आर्मी के अप्रोच को लेके हमारे मुख्यमंत्री डॉक्टर हिमंत बिश्व शर्मा जी ने मुझे बोला था कि कोकराझार में बहुत फुटबॉल प्रेमी है, कोकराझार में होस्ट करना चाहिए.